So right behind us, we have a guy doing the Beyonce. All the single ladies. All the single ladies.
Yeah, Rodin thought of that first.
Subscribe to our channel for more Zeke and Terri adventures.
During our 3-week home exchange in Lyon in October, we had lots of mini adventures, including a day wandering Presqu'île and Vieux Lyon, the city's 2 historic hearts.
We started by descending from the Croix Rousse area on Metro Line C, which began as a funicular in 1891 and was converted in 1974 into a rack rail metro line that still uses a cog system. It drops you straight into Presqu'île near Place Louis Pradel, surrounded by beautiful 17th, 18th, and 19th century architecture.
Presqu'île, located between the Rhône and Saône Rivers, is Lyon's civic and cultural center, anchored by multiple public places like Place Louis Pradel with its public art, Place des Terreaux with the Bartholdi fountain, and Place des Jacobins, and of course the Hôtel de Ville. Oh, and one of my favorites, the Musée de Beaux-Arts, with centuries of art and a newly reopened modern gallery.
So right behind us, we have a guy doing the Beyonce. All the single ladies. All the single ladies.
Yeah, Rodin thought of that first.
You know for sure it's Rodin?
Yeah.
You know by the book. So we just walked through the Musée de Beaux-Arts here in Lyon, and one of the most amazing things about it is it's housed in a 17th century abbey that happens to have a cloister. The fall colors are gorgeous and it's very, very peaceful. I'm actually looking at some marble up there. We've got some mosaics up here. It was a lovely museum. Did you see anything that struck you other than taking the picture of the guy taking the picture?
Well,
Super meta.
A couple paintings where there was one character in the painting that's looking out.
So what's funny about that is a lot of the pictures that I took today were people with interesting looks on their faces or like questioning something, like, really, you're doing that? It was actually quite fun.
Is that why you were taking so many pictures of me?
So this modern exhibition that's here at the Musée de Beaux-Arts in Lyon is opening today. I think there's 1 or 2 other people in here, and it is extraordinary. I'm just so happy. Did you enjoy any of the pieces? You've already walked all the way through.
Pretty much, yeah. No, there's some good stuff.
There's a Leger behind us. There's a Matisse right here. There's some Delaney's back there.
So we are here at Place des Jacobins, and it is such a pretty plaza. When I was here a couple years ago with our youngest Theodore, we stayed right by here and we walked by this every single day. I love the architecture of all of the buildings here. The fountain is beautiful, and it's really within close proximity to walking across the river in order to get to Vieux Lyon.
Very nice area.
So now this is the Lyon that I really, really liked. One of the things, if I haven't said it before, that we've discovered being up in the Croix-Rousse region or area, and it's really nice up there, but it's like super sleepy. And I either want to be out in the mountains or in the middle of nowhere in a forest.
Okay, let's do that.
Or I want to be in the middle of a city where I can just step out and I can just feel the energy and feel the vibe, and
I get it.
appreciate the architecture. And that's one of the things I love about down here is just the architecture. You get it now?
I get it now. Sure.
Well, good. So more of this?
No, we're going to go out into the middle of nowhere, aren't we? The Sahara Desert out of Marrakesh?
Oh, I don't know. I mean, what's the draw for me?
Because it's out in the middle of nowhere.
But what's there to see? Sand and more sand and more sand? At least in the mountains there are trees and the leaves were changing and there are rivers and rocks and...
All right, where are we going from here?
We are going to go find a bouchon over in Vieux Lyon and go get some lunch.
Onward.
Sound good? Just like in Vienne, where there were kids hanging out in that, in the Roman Forum area, the remnants in that garden, right behind us there are a bunch of little kids who were having lunch.
On a field trip.
In the Jardin Archéologique. Old shit. J'ai acheté une écharpe en Italie la dernière année. I have my souvenir. I got myself a silk scarf here in Lyon, and Sarah is the designer at Maison Sams. She designs all of the scarves that she has in there, the étoiles. I kept calling them écharpe, but apparently écharpe, those les écharpes are wool scarves, and les étoiles are silk scarves or fashion scarves.
Quick note about Vieux.
Vieux Lyon.
Vieux Lyon, the old town. It is the tourism zone. It is the tourism area. So if you're looking for that, then come on down.
You kind of have to come in just to see the architecture and see the various different places. If you're looking for a souvenir, if you're looking for some art, there's really very cool art here. Just know that it is a little bit touristy, but you should probably come and check it off the list.